What a fabulous green hunk.
Portal destroyed, sir. Hi, Vicky.
Any sign of Tannenberg?
No, Colonel, he wasn't there. But his forces were dug in pretty deep, sir.
I don't understand how the Tan can survive in the big world for so long without getting plastered.
Neither do we, but we suspect they've developed some means of counteracting the effects.
All right, Vicky, stay close to me and watch your back.
Whatever you say, Sarge. I'll set the TNT. You take care of the bad guys.
Heads up! Oh.
General Plastro, at last I found you. Ah, what would you give to move again? What would you give to speak again?
I'm alive. I'm cramp, ouchie.
Yes, Plastro. My anti-plastrification serum has brought you back.
Really? Let me see that. Oh, my. Oh, this is marvelous. Is there more?
More than we could ever use. Enough to carry us to victory.
Yes, victory! Did you say us?
Oh, come on now, darling. Surely the ruler of the entire world can afford one favor in exchange for such a powerful secret.
Oh, one favor, you say? Well, what could such a delectable creature as you possibly want from me?
Eat all.
Oh. like they're still generating serum on the other side of the portal. Well, time to crash their party.